Good morning to all of you. Classification of mobile apps. This is the topic of the day. Classification of mobile apps. Okay. Before this video, we discuss about the app developments, different types of the applications we are using the mobile in the laptops as well as the smartphone, etc. The apps we are using that we have discussed earlier. So here we are going to discuss now, that is classification of mobile apps. So about the mobile apps can be classified as native apps or hybrid apps. Okay, there are two types of the apps: native apps or hybrid apps. So native apps, mobile apps are usually developed for a specific operating system and device. Okay, so the applications you are using the mobile are developed, means designed, are created for a specific operating system. Operating system, I told you in the previous video that operating system is the one type of the software which is used to run the mobile, or which is used to run the computer, means laptop or smartphones. So this is the base of the operating system of any device. uh, Operating system is the base. Okay, if there will not be any operating system, the device will be not of any purpose. So it is also said the operating system the heart of the mobile and heart of the computer system. This is because each device may have different specifications, like GPS, dual SIMs, you know, GPS system is available in the mobile. So how it will be active and how it will act. So operating system is developed for that particular device. Dual SIMs, some mobiles are having the facility of one SIM, means we can insert only one SIM, and some mobiles we can insert two SIMs. Or cameras, there are different types of cameras: front camera, rear camera. Memory facility, memory card we are using in the mobile. So how the memory card will be accessed, this is given in the operating system. This facility is given in the operating system. If the operating system have no facility to access the memory card, so we cannot access. Even Bluetooth also, also all of you know that this is also one facility available in the mobile as well in the computer. Here we are talking about the mobile apps. So Bluetooth we are using in the mobile. So there is app for that, means the operating system, having the facility, so that we can use the Bluetooth. We can avail the facility of the Bluetooth available in the mobiles. Okay, Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. Wi-Fi, we are just taking the facility of something. Suppose you are having not network in your computer, so we are using Wi-Fi, and we are sharing any others connectivity or any others connection, so that we can make the use of the internet in the mobile. So Wi-Fi is one facility. So these facilities we are availing, or we are using in the computer, because of the applications are available in the uh, mobiles. Okay, so mobile apps are usually developed for a specific operating system and devices. RNFC apps are developed keeping in mind the device specification, are known as native apps. So such types of the apps which are used, which are designed by keeping the mind about the specific operating system of the device. So such type of the apps are known as the native apps. Okay, this is one type of the app of the mobile applications. What is that? Native apps. Most native apps come pre-installed. pre-install, already you are buying or purchasing the mobile, so some softwares will be already installed on your mobile, that is known as the pre-installed on the new phone, and can also be downloaded if it is unavailable, it is not available in your mobile. So you can download it from the play store. It is very popular site in the mobile. So using play store uh, we can download any type of the softwares which is possible to have in the mobile. So this is play store is one software of the mobile which give us facility to download the mobile softwares uh, uh, in our device using internet. Install for functionality. These apps have certain limitations. They are designed for a particular platform and are expensive to develop and maintain. So these type of the softwares are known as the native apps. I hope you got native apps. Next one is hybrid apps. So the word hybrid is the mixture of one two things or more than two things. If you are mixing together, so that is known as the hybrid. So hybrid apps are here. Hybrid apps contain the features of both web apps and native apps. Web apps, you know that web apps are used to run the web applications on the mobile. So these apps can be downloaded from the Play Store and installed on the device. These apps require the device to be connected to the internet. Hybrid apps can be stored partially on the local device and partially on the remote server. Some hybrid apps can be operated offline also by using cached pages through with limited functionality. For example, the most popular gaming app Candy Crush is hybrid app that can be played on a mobile phone as well as on the web. So this is one type of the app which is having both facility, the native as well as the mobile sorry, web apps. Okay, so native app, just I told, that is designed for the by keeping the operating system in the mind, according the devices to run the cameras or all the facilities available in the device. And web apps are used to access the web pages on the internet. And hybrid apps are having this type of the apps having the facility of both web app as well as the native apps. So hybrid apps can access this type of the operating system, can access both, can have the facility of web apps as well as the native apps. So dear student, this is type of the mobile app. Use of common apps. Apps have become too prevalent today that a suitable ones can be founded for almost any job, whether it is for learning, entertainment, social interactions, or even banking and e-commerce. There is an app for the purpose. So the most common apps are there. Use of most common apps, the different types of the actions we can do by the having internet or mobile to access the internet, e-commerce, and any type of the job we can access using the different types of the common apps. Okay, so dear students, uh, this is your topic of the day. You prepare it and keep in the mind, remember it, don't write in the copy. uh, Whatever we have to write, you have to write in the copy. I will send you later. Okay, so thank you.